A very disturbing story from the national capital. A senior officer in the Ministry of Finance was killed and his wife critically injured when their motorcycle was hit by a speeding BMW near Dholakwa in Delhi. The accused, who was driving that BMW, a woman called Gaganpreet Kaur, she did not take them to the nearest hospital. She took them to a hospital 19 kilometers away. Why did she do that? She's so far not giving any clear answers to the police, but that Deputy Secretary's mother, now she's made it very clear, had her son been taken to the nearest hospital, maybe he could have survived.
A high-profile life snuffed out by speed demon in Delhi. Navjot Singh, Deputy Secretary in the Department of Economic Affairs under the Ministry of Finance, crushed to death. His wife, Sandeep Kaur, battling for her life after their bike was mowed down by a speeding BMW during the couple's post-lunch drive home. Behind the wheels of the recklessly speeding BMW was Gaganpreet Makkar, who has now been arrested. The couple on the motorcycle was mowed down by the BMW near Dholakwa. BMW was being driven by Gaganpreet and her husband, Parikshit, was in the car.
The entire front portion has gone off. The BMW is a luxury car, but clearly the impact of the entire accident is visibly felt on this car. As you can see, the entire wind bags opened, and also the back side of the car. You can see how visibly the damage has been in this incident.
मैंने देखा एक गाड़ी उल्टी पड़ी है, एक्सीडेंट हो गया है, तो मैं इस करके मैंने हेल्पिंग के थ्रू उनको दोनों को अपनी गाड़ी में बैठाया और मैं हॉस्पिटल की तरफ रवाना हुआ। न्यू लाइफ करके हॉस्पिटल बता रहे थे और वो बता रहे थे कि आज़ादपुर की साइड जाना है।
The FIR reveals a possible sinister plot to destroy evidence. After the crash, Navjot and Sandeep were taken by the accused to a hospital in GTB Nagar, which was 19 kilometers from the accident spot, owned by the family friend. While ignoring plea by the victim's wife to take her husband to nearby premier hospitals like AIIMS and Safdarjung, losing crucial moments which could have saved the top bureaucrat.
नवनूर, पूरे मामले में आई थिंक एक ही चीज है जो सबको खनक रही है कि आप इतना दूर किसी को क्यों ले जाओगे?
हाँ, वो मुझे भी नहीं समझ आया कि इतना दूर धौलाकुआं जहाँ एक्सीडेंट हुआ उसके आसपास इतने अच्छे बड़े हॉस्पिटल्स हैं एंड ये 20 किलोमीटर दूर कोई अजीब से नर्सिंग होम में ले गए जहाँ मेरी मम्मी को बाहर लॉबी में ट्रीट कर रहे थे। वो मेरे पापा बाय द टाइम उनको हम लेके गए मॉर्चरी में, देयर वर flies on him.
The victim's family also claimed that Navjot's critical hurt wife, Sandeep, was kept on a stretcher for several hours before she was treated by doctors.
जो कार जिनकी थी BMW, उनके हॉस्पिटल में फेंका हुआ था उनको दोनों को। कोई दिक्कत नहीं, कोई देखभाल नहीं, कुछ नहीं कर रहे थे।
The accused now face charge of culpable homicide not amounting to murder. They have also been charged for destruction and concealment of evidence and rash driving.
गगनप्रीत को देख पा रहे हैं आप, लेकर दिल्ली पुलिस की टीम यहाँ पर पहुंची हुई है। अब यहाँ पर गगनप्रीत से जो डीसीपी रैंक के अधिकारी हैं वो पूछताछ करेंगे। बकायदा नॉर्थ दिल्ली के अस्पताल से कस्टडी में लिया गया।
The deadly BMW crash once again highlighting the killer menace of overspeeding and reckless driving on Delhi's roads. With Arvind Ojha and Shreya Chatterjee, Bureau Report, India Today.